Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number in Outlook account. It will be really simple and easy. In order to change or add your phone number, you have to open the Outlook in web. Once you are in your browser, Outlook, make sure to sign in to the specific Outlook account in which account you want to add or change your phone number. And then just click on your profile picture. And now just click on My Microsoft account. It will be redirected to Microsoft account page. So basically, to change your Outlook account phone number, we have to change our Microsoft account phone number. Once you are here, just click on your info at the left side, and here go to account info section, and under this section here you will find phone number option. To add or change your phone number, just click on edit account info, and here you will find all of your update email address and phone number. And to change your Outlook account phone number, first of all you have to add your new phone number here. So just click on add phone number if you haven't added already, then add and verify your new phone number. Once you successfully updated your new phone number, then just click on remove next to your old phone number to remove the old phone number from your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change phone number in Outlook account. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.